Next up on the workbench is a failed 9-volt battery. So, I think this came out of a clock. One of those little digital alarm clocks. Had it next to my bed for a while. I opened the battery compartment, and this is what greeted me. So I figured it would make a cool teardown just to see how these things are made, since it's already halfway open for us, and just see what busted inside. It looks like one of the cells. Looks like there's 6 cells. So we'll check the voltage, see if there's still anything left in it, and we'll start tearing it apart. We got it in the containment dish, so we'll see what it looks like. Alright, I got it hooked up with the little helping hands alligator clips here. We'll see if we can attach onto that positive. Let's see. Oh, we got... Wow, the meter's actually putting a load on it, and it's causing the voltage to drop. Wow, you know it's a weak battery. Okay, cool. Alright, so we'll get some tools and start taking this thing apart. So keeping the positive on this side, this is what the top looked like when I took it off. And then there's this little piece of cardboard, there's a little insulator in between these. Now, this one looks like it may have been attached to this one at one time. Oh no! So these are attached directly to the posts on here. And to these. Yeah, so... Okay, so the post would attach it to... would connect both of these batteries. Yeah, so I guess they're all seriesed up. Pretty clearly we can tell one of these cells has had a bad day. Decided to fail catastrophically. Let's take them apart and we'll see if we can get the rest of them out of there. Things came out surprisingly easily. So this is how they're connected on the bottom. And then this guy, oh yeah, split right down the side. Let's keep tearing that off. Got the top off, and this is the positive post that goes down inside the electrolyte of the battery, which is soaked into those papers. It looks like paper. It tore apart when I started pulling on it. So, yep. So that's what's inside a 9-volt battery.